Hello community. I want to tell you about a new engine that allows you to convert HTML or URL path to PDF. Its name is PDF Vision. Completely new HTML to PDF conversion engine based on the Chromium browser. But all modern HTML pages with complex CSS, same as Chrome browser. Now the produced PDF documents are completely editable, containing formatted text, vector, and raster graphics. PDFvision.net now supports platform Net 5, Net 6, and per-release Net 7. Completely reformat and simplified the API. In the other words, component that converts your HTML documents quickly and easily. Let's create a sample code that will convert any HTML file or website. Console application. Let's call it HTML to PDF and make initial settings. Okay, now we need to connect to NuGet to add the PDF Vision library from the repository. As I said earlier, it's called pdfvision.net by Soft. In the short characteristic, you can see the description of the library, its current version, and also a lot of useful information about dependencies and applications. Now, let's add some code. Don't forget to add namespaces, then the path to the source file that we will convert or the site address. Don't forget about the correct spelling of the site URL. Specify the path to the output def file. This will be our result, the transformation. Also important note, the first time you launch the application, it will download the Chromium engine. This usually takes some time. If your server doesn't allow you to download directly, then you can download the engine beforehand by running the example on your developer PC and then put the entire folder on your server. PDF Vision has many convenient settings for working with HTML and PDF. In our example code, we use the settings for the page setup, specify the position of the margins, width of the page, as well as spelling settings. More details about the capabilities of the engine can be found in our articles in the documentation section. Now, let's run our example. I remind you that the initial launch is a little long since the entire Chrome engine is downloaded. Well, we got a completely result and we can experiment with other documents. For example, convert the website soutinsoft.com, yahoo.com and microsoft.com. Please check if you typed the site address correctly. Otherwise, you will get an error or just a string in the form of an address. The component is constantly updated, improved thanks to Chromium support. Always up to date and fresh version of the component is available on our website or NuGet. If you have questions or suggestions, we will happy to answer them. Ask in our chat, Skype or forum. And the main thing is that the component is multi-platform and can be run on both Windows and Linux and Mac OS also. Good luck!